Okay, so I recently just got done doing a live stream on YouTube to ask you all and everything what exactly, what makeup brushes I should talk about, or what we should talk about. So we're actually going to be talking about one thing in particular. I've seen a lot of questions about what makeup brushes would I recommend? What makeup brushes should I recommend? Okay, so I'm going to obviously start off with a 10-piece set that I absolutely love and have used every single day since I've had it. So there's this one, that one, this one, that one. As I'm like quietly laying these all out. Okay, so there is several different brushes here. Okay, so there is, oh wait, I almost forgot one. Where is it? It's in here somewhere. I'm gonna find you. Ding, ding, ding. There you are, this one right here. So there is several makeup brushes in this set. And this set does come with a wrap to hold it as well and everything. And it's made out of vegan, cruelty-free leather and everything. So it's faux leather, it's fake. So in this set right here, which I do believe retails for $100 with my coupon code, which is actually down in the description, these right here brushes with my coupon code, you can get them for like $30, okay? The benefit in these brushes is that since I've had them for 2 years, and as you could tell, they are in great condition. They have not fallen apart. They have not shedded. You're probably wondering what this is. It is actually a lip brush, and that is actually the holder for it that goes on top of it. So you get a lip brush, a fan brush, a cheek or contour brush. You get a foundation or powder brush. You get a contour brush or blush. You get an eye blending brush. You as well get an eye detail brush. You get a eye or concealer or foundation brush. You get an eye or concealer, as well as an eyebrow, an angled brush for either eyeliner or whatever that you want to use it for. And then you get this right here brush. So this right here can be used, of course, for anything. It can be used for concealer, it can be used for hard to touch places, it can be used for the inner corner of the eye. So all of these brushes and everything are for $100, but you get them like literally half off. So you get them for a really, really nice price. And they're vegan, cruelty free, and they look nice. And from my understanding, the company, which is Vanity that these came from, which by the way, this is not sponsored. I'm just doing another video on these for you guys because I know some of you guys were asking about like the best brushes to buy. So these brushes right here and everything have not let me down. I've had these brushes forever, and they are like my all-time favorite. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these back and everything. I keep my brushes organized up here in the front all the time between the big ones, the small ones, the flat brushes, all different kinds of those. So the next ones, which are my all-time favorite, are these, and these ones have their own container that I put them in all the time. So these are the Vanity Planet Ulva brushes. These ones right here are, of course, one of my favorites. I absolutely love these. I use them ever so often, and a lot of my tutorials, I've used them for almost everything. And the best thing about these is that you can get in places of the face that you can't typically get into when you're doing, as you guys can see, my OCD is taking over, that you guys can't typically get into when doing makeup. So like with these brushes, like this one right here, this one, you can use this one to get into that corner of the eye. You can use it for the tear duct area, or tear duct area. You can use it for underneath the eye. You can use it as well for the brow bone. This one right here is a really good one because it's very thin, as you could tell, as you can see right there with the brush, how thin it is and everything. It's straight up and everything, but it's wide. So that brush right there, I would typically use for doing like eyebrows. You can use it for eyebrows. You can use it for eyeliner even. And the best part about it is it's kind of loose, so you can like feather out your eyeliner if you wanted to and blend it upwards. As well as like these brushes right here. These ones, like this one right here, I love to use for like even more definition in the face. So like if you want to use like a highlighter, like as you guys can tell, I have a lot of highlighter on. So something like this, if I want to just touch right here on the high points of my cheekbone or like right up here in this area, I can easily use this without having to, or without interfering with the rest of the face. This one I love to use like all over the actual like cheek area. This one right here, I would definitely use this one for like contouring, especially if I really want to get in that chiseled contour. Or even like with this one right here, I would use this one for contouring. And like some girls and everything that haven't, you know, they put on their foundation and stuff and they don't blend down here or over here up into the hairline. The bigger brush and everything, which this one right here desperately needs to be cleaned because Jay absolutely loves this brush for foundation. She loves this brush whenever she's putting on foundation. So this brush right here is amazing for putting on foundation. And the best part about it is you can easily just get it up and into the hairline without actually getting product on your hair, because the bristles, since they're so tight, it's pushing the foundation down on your scalp and not into your hair. As well as I don't know, it's just a really good brush. These ones right here, this one, I absolutely love using it for contour or concealer as well. Concealer for that one is really good. You can use these brushes for almost anything. I've used these brushes to do an entire face of makeup with before. I will link the video up there so that way you guys can check that out. But other than that, I hope that you all enjoyed this video. I'm just kind of like, you guys basically in the live stream was like, what is the best brushes you would recommend? I know some of you guys said Morphe was like, you know, how do you feel about Morphe? I have not tried any of the Morphe brushes yet. I do want to try the Morphe brushes. I haven't gotten to it, mainly because they're really expensive. First of all, and I don't necessarily know if they're vegan, cruelty free, which is something that I'm definitely big about. But I've heard a lot of good things about them from other people that are on YouTube and other people that have had them. I've just never experienced them myself, so that's something that I'd really have to think about. But I've never had a bad experience with the brushes that I do have. So these brushes, however, are definitely like my go-tos. But other than that, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you have not, please like and subscribe, become a part of the Angel Group or the Angel Army, however you prefer it. And as well, please make sure to click the bell. Always get notifications from me if you would like. And also too, if you want to be a part of YouTube VIP, make sure to go to heavenlyleann.com, type in your information and sign up for newsletters. You will get to see all of the videos firsthand before anybody else does when they are scheduled for release on their scheduled programming time. I mean, who else wouldn't like to receive an email with more than 5 videos in it and get to watch them all before everybody else does? Anyways, I love you all and I will see you all later. Bye!
Hello, did you like today's video? But you know, there's more options. Make sure to hit the subscribe button with her face on it, or you click on the other videos to see more.